All right, so 6:30 p.m. All right, so this is the random for our double box break of SP Authentic that was out of eBay yesterday. So winner takes both teams. So I've got Randall on top, Randall's last. That's the list. Whoa. Whoa. There. What's up? Right, so I have the same list on Rand. I got it. All right. So Randall on top. And everybody's there. So let's do this. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and the last one. There it is. So the winner is Colin Jacob. Thanks, guys. I'm going to be live in 2 minutes with the double box break. Thanks. So those are the 2 boxes. What's up?